Hey gang, June 7th live stream update 8. Yeah, last one was 7. It's got to be 8. Bid fast, bid high, bid often on the haircut and beard. Or I should say beard cut, haircut and shave. And I'm serious, you want to see the upper lip? That set of number reamer's got to happen. That's why this auction is only open to YouTube posters. Not some anonymous feminine hygiene device out there in the Netherlands that nobody knows. Some of them, they back down on a bet or a pledge. You know, there are some people who are really honorable on YouTube. Like you. Yeah. So, bid high, bid fast, bid often. You could see me go total egghead except for the eyebrows. If you guys play it right. Anyway, June 7th, noon, California time. And the bidding stays open until June 23rd. When I live stream again at noon, and how long that baby lasts, I don't know. It could get wild. People could be starting to join together to bid on a single hair. Be there or be square.